Maybe you're installing an operating system like Windows operating system to your computer and you face some problems like deleting partition or formatting it. So just I'm trying to format this partition and it's like 931 is 1 TB hard disk. So I just can't delete it, just need to format it and just want to click it and say okay. Take a few seconds. What it says like Windows cannot be installed on drive0 partition 2, and this is the first partition. Cannot delete or format. It's megabytes, and this is cannot install it. As you can see, the next button is disabled and cannot be clicked. So just need to press on my keyboard shift key with F10. Shift key, I'm gonna hold shift and then click it with F10 button, and you're gonna have this package screen, CMB screen. So I just need to write this on like disk. It's not needed, so I'm gonna write just disk bar without space. Gonna click enter. It's gonna say like this because of disk bar version. So I'm gonna write like list disk. I'm gonna click enter another time or again. So it's gonna list some partitions. So I need this disk 0. I'm gonna choose this. So I want to clean it because to install the operating system in it. So I'm gonna write like select disk 0 because there it says like this 0. So I need it. If you note there or right there on disk 1, you're gonna choose or select automatically on this disk. So I need this disk 931 GB. So I'm gonna write that select disk 0. I'm gonna click or enter button. So disk 0 is now the selected disk. So it tells that the selected disk is disk 0 and it's the disk that we need to format to install the operating system. So I'm gonna write. So this command will clean all the partition so that after cleaning it can be installed on operating system. So I'm gonna click the enter button. I'm gonna wait. Disk part succeeded in cleaning the disk. So now it's cleaned, the partition is cleaned and it has the ability to install an operating system. So I'm gonna close this window. You see the next button is still 7, so just I need to click that back button and then click this custom or install Windows only. So as you can see now, the click next button, it's not disabled, it can be clicked. So and the other partition has gone. So I'm gonna click it, just see what will happen. So now your computer just started to install operating system or just started the guidelines of steps for installing Windows. So this is how you can fix when the partition can't be formatted or cleaned. So thanks. For more, you can watch us on Core YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.